Hey, buddy. Come on, puppy. Come get some love. Pasha's getting some love from the catnip. I don't know how that catnip can survive much longer. They've really kind of messed it up. Come on, puppy. Come get some love. I almost got him on film headbutting these guys. These buddies. But I didn't. I missed it. Well, hello, Prana of the jungle. They love this plant. I hope they don't pee in it. Nobody has so far. I think somebody peed in the lavender. It's a little burned up. Prana. Prana. Oh, that's so much love. So much love right there. Yeah, Papa. So much love. So much love. Carmelito. So cute. Here comes a tiny tortie. Comes that tiny tortie. Oh, more love. That's what these boys do. They just... And here's Jamie, who I feel like is fading away from me. Even his fur's thinning out. His eyes look weird. So Monday I'm gonna call the vet again and say, look, I brought him in 3 times for this, and I need us to go 100%. Okay, 100%.